skin, girl. Your skin just like pearl.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl dipped in chocolate. So from the title you don't know, so today we'll be going on a boat ride. So this is day one of us going on a boat ride. We were vacating in Montego Bay. So this location is near Margaritaville. Yes guys. See a girl hear music, a girl have to shake up and go on herself. Yes, watch waistline, watch locks, watch big batam. Yes, sister girl. So the view was beautiful. The boat ride was excellent. The persons who I went on the boat with, they had a lot of vibe and entertainment. Big up yourself, Auntie Punky, Raquel, and Baba. All right, so the captain and the co-captain, they were very welcoming. And you know, Jamaica is a very beautiful place and have a lot of beautiful people, because you could never guess how we get to go on this boat. Like, we just wave to the man and the man come over and he treated us for the day without a penny to be paid. And guys, I don't know, say from we enjoy ourselves the first time, and know we're gonna go back the other day, and that was what happened. We went out with our floaties on the ocean, literally like in the middle of the ocean, not literally, no, but you know, and we swim back to shore. It was a wonderful experience, guys. I don't know how to swim very well, but you know, say put the floaty, I did my thing. And again, me still a wine at myself. This I must see one time a liquor lit me, and my auntie a go on with herself. Ray. The liquor lit me from yesterday, the liquor and everything. Everybody was having a good time. The vibe was right. The sun was hot, but because the vibe was right, you never feel the sun at all.
Everybody up, love it up. Yeah, give them a up.
Okay, from the city, new blue bats, which I know says a new day. And me telling you, from we enjoy ourselves the first day, we had to come back. The price for this day was reasonable. Remember, so the other day we never paid them money because we were being treated. This day was reasonable because we stayed for like 6 hours until the night came. Oh, so this was really good. They brought us a different location at this time. They brought us even far out. We enjoyed ourselves even more. We went to the yacht club. We danced. We went into the ocean. We went to another beach. We drank. We get a little marijuana. The vibe was just amazing. I so can't wait to go back to Montego Bay, guys. Montego Bay is like the town where you just enjoy yourself and just forget about your stress and just relax and chill. Yes, so from your see me behavior, know I've been enjoying myself. It was a very nice experience, and I cannot elaborate even more about how excited I was and how happy I was and stress free. Yes, your girl is a cock up and say enjoy rich life, because them life is the dolly fear live. Always say them life here.
You see that tongue there, where you get that?
like chalice.
I'm drunk. Chip. Okay, what you call them have?